Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, convicted gang leader Tesha Miller has been sentenced to 38 years in prison for ordering the murder of former chairman of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC Douglas Chambers. And it was handed down in the Home Circuit Court in Kingston. Now, while prosecutors say justice was served, defense lawyers argue that the sentence was excessive. We'll have reactions later. But first, here's TVJ's Vashon Brown with what happened in court. Vashon, it's over to you.
Thank you so much, Janella. Now, you may recall that on December 2, Tesha Miller, who turns 40 in August, was convicted of both accessory before and after the fact in relation to the murder of former JUTC chairman Douglas Chambers. Now, before the fact essentially means that he helped the main offender before the actual murder was committed. For this offense, he was sentenced to 38 years and 9 months. In terms of after the fact, that is, he knowingly assisted the main offender after the commission of the murder, he was sentenced to 18 months. Both sentences are to run concurrently. Now, the defense asked the judge to show mercy. A character witness also told the court that Miller is a family man who used to attend church with her. Now, before the sentencing, prosecutors asked the court to consider the evidence from the main prosecution witness in the case, who told the court that Miller was the leader of a criminal network when he gave instructions for Douglas to be killed.
The senior prosecutor also reminded the court that the methodology that was used to perpetrate the act, not only to have it executed in a way to cause the death of Mr. Chambers in that way, but it also was calculated to scare members of the public, the community, in a way that would prevent members of the community coming to the aid of Mr. Chambers.
Now, you heard the DPP there speaking about the fact that several shots were fired in the area where Mr. Chambers was killed in 2008. Now, in handing down the sentence, Justice Georgiana Fraser said she considered aggravating factors like the premeditated nature of the crime, the maturity of the offender, and the fact that a firearm was used. As for the mitigating factors, they include the fact that Miller has no previous similar conviction. Now, that word similar is important in that sentence because Miller was convicted in 2007 for absconding bail, but that is not similar to this offense. In the meantime, the DPP also commended the key prosecution witness in the case. Now, that witness pleaded guilty to murder.
In fact, I think his evidence was that, yes, he's a criminal. However, he indicated that enough was enough. And I would like to say that as part of the rehabilitative aspect of sentencing, that he decided to reach out to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution and, along with his lawyer, utilize historical and for the first time, Section 20 of the Plea Negotiations Act. And I believe that he was very astute, and he went from life imprisonment, 18 years before parole, and he now has a fixed term of 10 years.
Douglas Chambers was fatally shot at the entrance of the JTC Spanish Town Depot on June 27, 2008. Janella?
Thank you so much, Vashon.